Alguém foi B já, rato.
De novo.
Ó, banguei, toma. O pai tá bem aqui, o pai tá bem. Nossa senhora, 3 tiros, 3 HS.
Mais uma.
Eu vou ir dar mais uma, não, vou dar mais um.
Do meio mesmo.
Não, deixa eu, cara. Sério, eu dei 3 tiros HS, vou dar mais um, fica bem.
Caralho.
Os caras não vão vir mais não, velho.
Eu acho que eles também não vêm.
Tapete. Pega no meu tapete 1.
Nossa, joga aí, tô aí. Tô aí.
Não, pode pegar, eu não vou jogar mais diabo não. Não, pega aqui, eu não vou jogar mais diabo não. Não, pega aqui, eu não vou jogar mais diabo não. Eu não vou jogar mais não, vou justo.
É só pra deixar. Não, joga aí, mano. Só pra garantir o match point.
Toma aí, cara.
Não, joga de alto aí.
Deixa comigo então. Não, joga.
Vou chato.
Deixa eu dar um cover,
I tagged him for 99. He's 1 HP.
I'm gonna hit him with a flashbang.
Yeah. He's gonna hit him with a flashbang.
Uh-oh. What? It's not throwing!
Ooh, not far off from stopping the bomb plant with that incendiary. Christian is going to get caught advancing through the smoke. Frozen's done the same, though. He's on that bomb train now. He could try and contest. They're going to push together. W0XİC going up the ladder, and he's got so much damage done. It's Frozen. Ice in his veins. 3 frags to his name. Kenny, however, standing his ground. 2v2. Bomb down and in favor of G2.
Frozen up on the ladder. That's insane.
Excuse me, I'm sorry about that.
That's a bit much. You're going to have an ace on the agenda here. And Nexa, he'll be behind E-Box. Full diffuse suddenly available. Frozen's going to have to go for it. And now we will see if Nexa can convert the spray. Looks like he's done enough here. Frozen's still on for the ace. He's running out of time. He has to go for the full defuse. He jumps up again. Is it going to be enough?
It's good.
Has he got it?
I think he's done it. The ace clutch from Frozen.
Oh, I can't believe it.
Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry for anybody listening with headphones.
My ears did explode a little bit. I've got to set the maximum volume over here.
Yeah, that's an involuntary sound.
O bunker ele dá uma acalmada aqui, a equipe da Bravos. Tudo isso aconteceu, Bidão, e ainda tem 1 minuto e 5 de round para ser jogado. Então, a gente vai vendo aí o Kurgan fazendo a sua smokezinha, né? Tem a outra aí complementar a passagem. Tem uma incendiária. E o Ricão foi tentar marotar ali, tentar surpreender. A C4 ficou caída, meu Deus, Lealzinho! Que isso? Olha a bala do Leal. Erra o disparo, Tibúrcio. De repente o Lealzinho coloca a situação num 2x1, meu amigo! O que faz Lucas Oliveira?
What have you run for, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Flashing behind you. What have you run for, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Flashing behind you.
Oh, let's definitely win the round here. And he goes for the deep smoke, cost him his life, and that's all they needed.
I think this is the game. I'm not going to lie. I think Windstrike have got them a bit of a loop here. Unless Almeza walks on in and Goblin defuse, he could do this. There's a chance if he goes now.
I think
He has the kit. This is a ninja.
Face crack.
1v4.
How has he done this?
Face Crack has legit done it with 15 HP to spare. I can't believe it. Chad, good spot. He waits long enough to get the ninja.
Well, we
Barrage. Oh! Could done better! Man, I need big.
Возможно, в смоках мутится.
Wait, guys, wait. Wait, I will knife. Wait, two city. Wait. No, 10 HP. Один хп у одного.
everything. He doesn't know either. Zywoo's just tucked. Brolin sees a barrel. He knows what's up. He should have this kill, and it's dead to rights. Fnatic in a 4-on-2 now. Apex, he's going to tuck and play timing. He can get a lot done from this position if they don't count him here. But there are 3 players coming around the corner. Someone's going to hit the shot, and they do. Response from Shox. Time is low. He's got a second. The models are burning, and Shox is setting him alight. 4 kills for Shox. And Vitality, they're going to convert the post plant.
Au revoir. See you later.
Not sure what's up with the nades. It's such a weird timing to see players pull out nades when they know that they are in a close combat maneuver or a close combat fight. Snatchy. Bye-bye. Okay. Never mind.
No.
Oh, he heard him.
What is this? What is this?
Yeah, that happened.
To be more shocked for
that first kill, which is a pivotal point. Now it comes down to the 1-on-3. 18 seconds left. Torzy looking to shine. He gets the first kill, looking for number 2. 15 seconds now. He's got to pick up the pace if he wants to close this round out. He spots him out. 10 seconds to go. He gets the first shot. Now with 1 player left to find, he's gonna get the bomb planted in the nick. Oh no! He's scaring me here. Just a little bit of time to get the bomb planted, and now down to the 1-on-1 here for the game. You can see Sidechrome was just waiting for the plant to come in, considering he might have been able to win that off of time. And Torzy, he hasn't had the opportunity to use the op too much in this game so far. He might be able to win the match for him with it right here.
it come down to Sidechrome. I think he knows that he's hiding in the smoke. He misses the shot.
Mieszał Furlan tym wszystkim i X ma go znowu przyspiesza. Oscarish też znowu działa. No on tutaj widać, że chce jeszcze, by drużyna walczyła.
Popełnił błąd zawodnik Illuminar Gaming. Wydawało się, że to będzie bardzo łatwy frag, ale Oscarish 3 eliminacje, tak jak w ostatniej rundzie. Tym razem jednak ma dużo więcej czasu na to, żeby jeszcze pokombinować. Snax i Innocent celowani z tymi snajperkami. Bomba na ziemi, teraz dorobiony ten smoke i Oscarish cały czas szuka, liczy na to, że zawodnicy Illuminar Gaming może znowu będą gdzieś się wychylali, ale w tej sytuacji widać, że zespół broniący nie podejmuje tego ryzyka. Na razie po prostu czekanie na reakcję rywala. Innocent jednak coraz bliżej. Oscarish na razie schowany, wcelowany jest zawodnik Illuminar. Oj, to będzie szansa na 4. fraga od Oscarisha. To naprawdę może się udać. Podniesiona snajperka.
Oscarish!
I piękne wykończenie zawodnika XCOM Ago. Mamy...
O neymiş lan?
Microphone activated.
Fuck, that's not good.
Not bad. Nice.
Why you say it's not good? It was really good.
Good job, Voxic.
Real good do. Okay. I dropped AK.
Yeah, drop.
I just was jumping. It was short, I think.
Didn't see rockets.
Kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah, bomb. Okay.
Bomb default.
Hit. Nice. Last thing.
Whole side.
Side.
Or the ups, I don't know.
He's 10 HP as you said.
Nice.
Nice, Xantares. You're a fucking beast, man.
I wasn't sure if I had the ups or behind. I'm rotating.
One out pop. Electric one.
Doing stag.
Like that.
5 train.
Like that. One more.
Nice. One teammate dead. Sandwich. Sandwich one.
Yeah. Sandwich.
On the wall.
Oh, you killed.
I'm holding. Nice guys. Nice Xantares.
Thank you.
Men der er 5 spillere nu ind omkring stregen. De er klar til at tage det helt. De er klar til at se, om de kan åbne sejlet til deres fordel. Molotov. Ikke meget skulle have sagt nu. Eller for at få Max. Så vi skal de holder afsted. De er klar til at tage et år. De lukker op ned. En efter en forskel nu. Får de to tilfælde. De planer bomben nu. Altså første reflect. Frøsløv. Han er kold og kynisk lige nu. Han får den ikke. Han får den fjerde. Det gør han. Frøsløv. Hvad sker der her?
Det er fantastisk billede af Frøslev. Spørgsmålet om han faker den her for Cabby. Skal han have Isa her? Det er altså vildt godt spillet af Frøslev, det her. Hvis han gør det, kan han time? Nej, det gør han. Det er sindssygt det Frøslev. Han carrier fuldstændig efter. Skyder alle 5. Manx får endda et double kill. Bird from Sky også med kill. Jeg tror endda, det ender ud i en 5-2 på et tidspunkt. Frøslev, han tager det altså hele vejen tilbage med 5 kills.
Buena, flipping.
Vamos, va. Sí.
Vamos. Venga, coño. It's A. Nah, I whiffed the shot. Doesn't count now.
On. Circle trade, Kusta's on it, they'll swing the door of Decon open, but the frags are all favouring Gen G. Oh, that molly. Oh no! He could have won them the game and he's missed the shot! We're going to Dust 2! Stanislaw's molly was about to take us to a second overtime, but he's whiffed it!
Por inútil, voy a intentar mollarte.
Esto nos da alas.